Kuyakima mwancho muligera chinsa chekire ne chinsa chigikaro kiage tembe bona gutambe ni gotokoba naere Eriki Abuga nabo igosa minyana tonya gobato kuligereria aria jarikoba gakonekwa eikinge magodu tukulia Jumatatu gwika rituko ria rero nelinane kigima ritu abere to kuligereria gosiria abere gokoreka sikiiga ne rituko rinene abana inchi bari ngochengira rituko na environmental day ase abantu basmegetemete asobonge kolende kukunyulia tu ritukelio nigaria karokiru moide bali twakinete miaka yaito bali abakoro mnanjikiro muna gwate kare ana nigo yaiko tabanga moi omuraibu ense akoroku moi munoko omuraibu ense ya Kenya nigo koroku moi teri kumanya kuna bano moi akarwaro moi ndaga chokoro kibaki moi kibaki akarwaro moi ndaga chokoro Kenyatta bona moyo ndora bono iga chinga kishite to matenga moyo bono iga koroku William Samuel Ruto naboto maitega gartu akenete nati batikonya mwabwate ebicha seino ebicha ye portrait ye president timatinga narrative kemwabwate gore ebicha ntuminte to maitenga kende gioncio gokora moi ni gagocha ogosoera sabe buli bao ebicha ntwanye bwate minto yange sitigiru mwenene maito kuligere kwaranga nyaka miameti yona libo gokora magosa se kombonira genya tamia meti Torigo kara kende gionzi ya kara nabago chiago soera moi bosara pa kwa ngwe endage ke gweta mbegoro kwa manyanga endage yoni ya moi kere gende kienge se ya moi lakini abana babona iga pamaita mangana njengoro kwa ni toto nyangiri nekine ke karo giage tembe abuga to kwani yango
the Western culture na tela so Africa. Yes, but the color no mosongo lakini kwenye vintu vingi mbiraba bacteria so mu
ando mbarego kama hizo.
Ba maite ba chagete ba kwa tabiri yoko chakana nkorani vale from what the Westerners are doing. Akibona igasi ikira Africa bangi basoke basome risko abandi bategere Kenya. Bonge mondaga tema go adapt mabiboga ndete go change no twada tenga chikwende cha sire chinja nganani onyo cha na chigo sire cha the president na go western culture you never know again right ine sana kan ndete go change onde bicheli amwe na nyoda nge black and white onde ge color ne and bintu ya change sana lakini ri amwe ndengera kiromo chino bwate emechi ya renga average
abakoro kunga middle class
you have a business state wale busa ngende makabona nchiro andi alenge okay tinta yange beauty but ni alenge clear abakobanga black and white
akini power jabwata chinguru che ndo bakabona ege biche udero na beja William Ruto rotera abali minto lakini ebiche ya moyaro na ere minto
babeke ine entero montasi ke national flag ya Kenya emiakete ne gochakira bone gando 35 and above njake flag is different no mondo gen zibona iga
njasi abago tabura bakabata jababe ba koligwera
mate kale ngwango rese frag tandugete nonye lakini banya monde no ne skuru bande tandugete pi baka ego form part of our news nge bande beke tandugete
kale no gutara go chiali gato gutara mune sindi abuga
ngwango sku
chinga kiche moi Gwegere de moi baro sam.
Tagwa como so.
Maite.
Tagwa como so me se vita.
Oye, I think inchara mwa kwande. Maybe inche bwe kanta bwati no hao. Jeko gara. I think era moya guru asoba gambi. I think still I think naliko nyorana. Na be miaka ngebere ya ndatebe. So I have no good history about him, but rende abnormal. We've gone to research and inchegen tumugara kwa na moi ngende yongo machikonyora na mabere tinyanyweti
lakini ko igula na lengo
ko iguna nga mabere na lengo akula bushit by the way onyendiri
nayo igunga kiare
agocha aja bantu toranyi but all no lincho monta at least nda account mono abarai bai mai tabono
kibaki
totebe na kibaki tarimo no rende to jingo kina na lengeri lakini rende ni Uhuru Kenyatta I think is the most I can even tell about Uhuru Kenyatta and maybe William Ruto and partially yonde Kibaki Gibona kara mwacha kwa na mangana moi na moi kuna kira isenge njobono timbwati mangana mange gore yae nda kwa na mwa chi portrait cha renge I think what I can tell na roche my aringe black and white. I've never seen it colored. Yesenge njenga ki ko nyora bintu mbira change bono bado bonto mbare analog iri to teba lakini bono digital but all in all kero muntu na bwata kare yae na njuma ita sinare ndaende kwane na nje sinare ndaende kwane umuntu gita ngankingo ya kwane the same way mware kwane so kero muntu na bwata kare yae anyway tia tware gania bategereria same yake karori tukuria rero nchiko kwa samienda
na ko kanyaro tuge na nyiri ko ya moi chinga kiajete moi eskurga suka tena yango igorwa to abwata chiombe chialenge chiombe 6 ninja na chibugata bano litukeli njenje bugata bona atenga bona ligere chiombe echo seitoma tena tambe sana nya cheke na yegesu karande ge yaita gainga moyo go chagesusu tina ma etege sunga yere lakini ngabugati abantu bakagegese gesu yarenge ngombe tinsibeti na ande tima jo kwirana ngingo kwirana hindi kichando cha ndo chimutunga abantu abakumenya kana asemo we bagoche kana igetororo muna moya ne tendeka kagenda imbure gachaka gotu tima etinga kingo ikaka kana igeteka ena igete sana atigete cho menga ngombe jiyo ngasinyunga kingo genda kana tima mpaka ngate kota buka kija tato minu nacho ira chiombe iko na liboli ya jinga inatika chiombe you can imagine nga kija lenge exciting bona kana boyo ndake kwete kura bana bagenda ko chia samna kawaida anyway ayon sikianda eli community nga litukeli ndia nyata ko ligo chengerwa sinsemo ao imensi ya Kenya litukoli environmental day go environment day abange balia bakoro na bakori nyara badu na moide because gocha kusalie biche kuruso emango ya bantu emena kongo nelitukulia batukori konyerwa se aba Kenya babete bakoba bagosege tukosimekemete asobonge asinsema ao ase county ya Kisii omwasiri bwechisemi muskechuri asimigoso gamba na robenge kora omerobeli yogosime kwa kwemete na bwigase county ya Nyamira omokonyi bo monebweli chiko so musolista general omoske Shadrack Mose na ronya tukabaga kora ngama ngana gosomerobeli yo agangere nga Kenya inyaraka nga yaikeire gigosimeke emete chibilioni 15 tugere chibichecho.
I want to encourage each and every one of you to take up the call by His Excellency the President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, to at least plant a tree or 2 trees or 3 trees or 10 trees. We've been able to do that as a country. If we do that, we could also be able to meet that 15 billion target before 2030 as we had anticipated.
Aimed at increasing our country's cover to 30% by 2032. Through this initiative, every Kenyan is encouraged to plant and nurture trees as a patriotic duty and a gift to future.
Tuko aliyo gosimeka emete na naro cha seketora gatabanga omo wasire mo kwajibo mo omo likyo monebwe wisara yitsemi omoske professor Bitok netuko gatabanga aboliti ososegete kire school esmeke omote obwata matunda omote bo matunda abana bagoliti batinga observation ya ino in China to check na yabuga nakiyale ngigoro yali tukeliga impact yenega ntokora kana ya golede environment go trali tukeli go trip ndegenya kabi ko kali tukoligoro gosemete nande gosime kuyati gwabo nane ngolere twasime kale na to jotumeke ngole yumwa konde.
Actually, for me, last year, the thing was the last year, I think, is a similar program was undertaken somewhere in Sari, somewhere in Bonzari. As a Kisii County in Kiavet and Andorro. And this happened. I remember 2023 one, somewhere there. Now, I went to the Kisii primary. Nanya gonna go chorona ngikiole ngande because kwa school moja cheki mutenge ngikiole ngande could not make a difference. But remember it was megete uchiroje matali Kisii primary kanyare maybe baka bana yamira. But you see the problem with Kenya ita leadership osama Kenya bange noko chake ndio tabwati mpangirio. Kwa dia antas make 5 billion by 2032.
15 billion.
15 billion. But the idea is that kero montana was mekomote. At least kero mwaka kero mondos mekomote. That's the idea. But imete toka tekno smeke bwata matunda. Ngeji kwenye smeka. Look at like kuna wana Kisii, the land sizes cha veg could diminish. Mane makere usi. Sika wate mondas smeke mete, awanza wake sabu smeke mete. Nguru usi wale mungu smeka chibando. Nguru wasike teacher. No, such things. That's why I think even the government yamwira tabanga ki to some came at school me institution because already ali fence ncho na kusimeka fence around na woni simeka bune garden ya school room still my na school njibwate enough land ras make mete but you know like last year why government yango encourage and make indigenous trees mete ne limekoro etalime lingam etalime tandege etalime kabiri at least indigenous trees ekwama either ya form na pocho liba baraka wiro monene na bakotumeka bune shade kwenye sipekete na mugondo ko to affect ndagera lakini the common manager ko limete ko to kalimu lyoko mwaka ngita kira continuous yo yata kusimeka maybe kere county etora specific area muto na bangala na
ko mangara ati angete ko
changa ngete ngo yemete ngenera ngene simeka mundo ale mashinani mali oba tengasimeke muto noyo ngacho kwenye simeka one thing again I'm looking at like the other day Shadrack Mosudo so the general was in Nyamira waziri was in
Nikisi
Nyatiko. It's Nyatiko. Kenyoro school. I think it is Sense Ward.
Yeah.
Now, today we have sub-county commander, sub-county education officer, or say county education officer, county commander, county commissioner.
Kero muntu na alenga.
Obalenga gali. So abanda abandi bali ward ichinde. Muntu le maliwa matali board ya bagenda kusi. Nama think metongo ndo yalenga.
Muntu nge basi nama think ndo yalenga.
Because ba chifu mbata tinga moire mwana masimeke emete. But you see now like the way dijia bantu bako kubosuka serikali wa free. Ngimete tabe kutigari manye kerinye kekarase kete. Era tumanjwa tunga ki. Metenera samu ya bokora. Ndiyo bokora yetu. Kuna bokora sub county. Right.
Ganda PKM.
Ganda PKM. Metere yetu. Chief board of management, chief PTA, baikaransamo, manage chief, net school heads. Pata ngantu kwa tole maseke tuzimekemete. Asa yagitu buya imetesmeko. Before tarika next year, what happened in the next 8 months before tarika next year, that's take stock of what you have done 8 months ago. Mete yakindo ya. Anye mtu president go simeku president go cha somo to simeku. Ugeteru buya 2 months ngombe ali. Ngombe
kano yo kawaida.
Ngango chimete. That's take stock. Take 2032 out of 15 billion, ngazimeke mete enusu million.
You have nothing to show for it.
It's a good idea, yes, but are we implementing it?
Somebody somewhere joked about it. Ngaita Facebook na rujenga ndeke. Agatavanga ngenjo munga bekire focus ise ditukeli environment kwa base ugosimeke mete ditukeli bwante koro kutuli day because even nenge bwante ko koru wetani gosimeke mete kolende environment lakini bono mo focus ri ese mete yo kwa bono entry day gosine environment. That's
a good question, but that's a good concern. Because unabono eso jamna nsemo ya kisi yote miaka ya trema ke musa kandari as the initial people's park yango kanyanga na Ram hospital mete asmeke tugali bia sana other day krea ya kina ke yo montaga private gase katamole mobo no bwai went to court kabwe kina katamole mobo no bwai but you see na meteria yakini the government spent a lot of money as well was making
meteria yakini wana ine yo monto
wa kibona ikirega mondo tegali no bwai mpaka bona ikire this current regime ya Simbarati bajije nande people's park rugal nande banyire matiga nande bajeze meke metende ama tukomake unga bule mobo no boy private developer before that make meteria school elim ne with the last year the lands cabinet secretary also amata banga almost 60% 70% of schools in Djibouti title deed.
Igana malemo ya abantu private developers para je baru sejere.
So why can't the process be school kwanza title deed? And I've never understood why the government takes years kwa chini sio njeza serikali title deed. So why can't we title deed kwanza which school check all public schools. Sub county education officer class county education officer make sure ngaki school title deed. Ko just make meteli techeki no monda benga
go bole mono bwana.
Yes.
I still remember school na somete primary se my lower classes and I get Arsenal to gature mete atmekire me takisongo no to gatumri boko to iterpor lakini yigete egacho umonta gacha fence agatabanga guchakiraga nkwana bole motari we school epara yarengo epare gasukio Bonte matinga procedure kia tumegete kusukia para kwa yanda kingo mbwana bugetabu egatoka nga none getigie skuru getigie sukia skuru kia renga kana kia katole se abantu bakominyo kana kwa mupira ne mipira ne once same time ekanse gache kana chege ti katikati
ekaira
egatabe gochakiraga ne bole muno bwe kanisa
it's a replica of what is happening. I can give an example. I went through Nyansiongo in the lower primary school. I went through Nyansiongo DP. nyote ka twalenga bangi kya sana kengo almost na tukabeka chi football pitch bena ni sana within that field kya lengo
for 5
yes
football.
it was big kya sana so at the edge of that field I remember that time one of the Montolengo Mokonyo former cabinet secretary Matiang'i was the head teacher was called Msati. If you can remember that moment, I get take a pin. As me get table baby sana by day. Ya me table sana. Timene kivia kwa tia saka vile ndabikamba tukawasi boko. So no kauze vilanya. Even as we speak. Ndoga mbabono iga.
Wale bomboli na
Momboyo. Uta remember bono iga se bono no. Wo se mete ya smekire. The camp center nero ro. Katu chache ro mboke. I think there's a PH na ro mboke. Then you wonde.
kero munda ko bagira ka bono
Wonde kanse remete. Actually get to agatu mo pinje ngokina. Wonde kanse remete chama.
elemento sa muri tukulia ya ngai kwale ngosimeke mete
Okay, what I can say, I need to carry Jitinsi Megatimote. I think team participated, but then na rocha wantu wako usimeke mete, of which is good. You see that policy by the negen to kerekia, keroko rigeri, ideally negen to get kerekia, and if it's achieved, you can telling emete ne wate faida chinyingi sana. Kurangana bana wantu tu asometa chiskuru mete ne wate faida no ene brain contributor in one way or the other. No henchera umate you imagine usibona igabunere evergreen without your mote you can tell actually ne gera ube sana emete ne konyete. You see my concern aro no toto na buga. It's not the issue yugo smeka. Wasimekire. Nanje na jete there is a time to arengene club getenka gendalia jogo primary na simeke tomote. Kana simeke tomoto yo I have never gone there to run kumanyanga moto na simeke tenga kyogoreteke. Na kyobeire. So it is not the issue nga emetengo simekwe was 15 billion. The issue is why wasimekire. What is the progress moto yo obwate nga kyogukina nga kyogende to go develop. At least to care at the end of the day to achieve the 15 billion it will not be an issue nga nerenga yasimegetu at that time nerenga yabaire that will be a big nerera issue so all in all emete yasimegetu it's a good idea moto yo simekiru tigozimeku na handover taken care of egere oikera maganiaria aba ai serikali ebwate wocha asense my environment and talking about the environment you see tarimete yoka lakini baona I think if the government is trying to totebanga gose umwako yo gatotebanga bona etete koligeria mangana yemete it's good and well maybe era invest in semete lakini let us not also forget about that other environmental things chienda to happen buna bono toto you can tell engineer environment teribune ngakiri arengi because of we have industry chienda to comment and you know that ne what effect gocha ase embeo ya kawaida ne njira abantu bamenyete chi town cha kirotwara industries and even the dumping itself nane chindoche is part of environment how do we take care of chindoche
sewerage system
sewerage system how do you take it? You see that is the environment, that is the larger thing about environment, so that at least if we are talking about a day specifically allocated for mazingira let us even have leaders muna bona tianda ko boli waziri was there other dignitaries no barengi what could you think omuntu bona say tutaracha kali erenga ya maite mangana yomo so the government should also as well provide enchireri bago provide enchiranere nkora ebintu binde bikonyorekana for free let us also have nga ero mazingira day ero gosene ntaracha ngo gendero ali esubu mugambi bapiki emete korwo gendo osimeke emeteri gosene indinyire so whatever bapiki korwo barete basimeke you cannot tell us in mosimeke emete and you are giving some 2-3 individuals genda gose ngai mosimeke emete gosene omurayoro and then where do you leave the others? So if the government want to achieve amangana yo gosimeke emete let them produce chimbegu barete kero montaye at least to amanyanga we will achieve na kero montaye orende at least by the time to tabanga 15 billion we account something that is tangible to rochega taringa banon to asimeka so what
na di volunteer na boliga karanga ngena ruga ngaki kia ruetu no monto ngagasoma se getoko bolinga e focus ya lenge semete ko state house goika focus ya lenge semete tandu thinkinga etwa baire egente ke bono to mosketi matu sera gata to abere dar minded baka to arage nga environment nemete
for me egente nate babu You see, in everything, rolling nebwate kirenga kiae team ngonyora neba madaraka day neba whatever ngochire atware theme yae igoti getu to hashimunga although assuming in aroma tinege ntogete kebesana ignorant by the maybe the focus was all about emete that day, and then the government should come clear on this Mazingira Day apart from emete ngosimekatore, for example, for the next years. Will it be from now up to 2032 since a policy have been made about 15 billion maybe to achieve MTU? Will it be on Mazingira Day? Will it be specific on just MT until 2032? Because the government now should be clear. If we are talking about environment, Mazingira, let us focus on everything. If we have the team maybe maybe the focus lakini let us not neglect other things. Because we don't want to vingi sana in terms of environment.
Ya mazingira kwa environment. Omo chandonoro munge sana nene chitown. Mune town ya itobo songo nenyo bugate. Litu kuri environment kwa lego etana bako nyara segete siwe chia tegete ya atekire guiteke para gosa for the longest. Na asina ale bosongo kwa siwe chia guiteka boli. Ina ra seterogalia siwe chinja ete para ange chiwiki bere. Pako korese ke jiwe atira pake para korangaga ya erosiri enchira kabisa koranga na mata na mata takere kwetara imetinga nchira nere ko chimutuga serikali ranyala koba bon environment day libe prudent abantu batabunga ki taliras mosme komote rengera linga ngikilio ra korege kole the environment
that's what you say
asole rengera linga onye muna bono we expected maybe chi serikali anane yabangire abantu basimekemete county government ebange abantu basibichi town for example abantu ba correct mangana garbage ebintu munebyo chi siwe chi repaired ebintu munebyo kogenda
so ototo maite our country seems like ideas in nyingi sana. The biggest thing is not all about idea. Watch an idea. What now? Bon implementation implementation actually what let me tell you, if you ask leaders, even leaders themselves, anaweza kupea ideas mingi, but the problem we're having is implementation. Let me tell you, there's nama tukabera tato ngoetanda aliko chinyambera iga orochero litopwa tisiveji otuko ando bwato na specific time baka ro sensa ngapi garenga by the time bogoki okoranga ba achieve ya macha yo koreki achire another sewages. When you're talking about rivers and the sewage, even if to get we korengere bichamu kwa sababu at the end of the day no ba kunyebeka roche gali. So for me, look at even Bosongo Gaiga. You look at the way enchire bintu bire Bosongo Gaiga. We have been saying this for long. And there's a time even we were cascading about maybe the market there. Ngaki the structure in terms of Okurenda Mazingira. Where was the governor? I don't know where he was during Mangana Mazingira. I think let it be a responsibility for Murai. Mazingira Day. Karuna tokora ramadaraka ngobere sengu stadium osera rabanyamaji. Let us focus every leader onye neli tukulia Mazingira. Let us see something happening. If Waziri was in wherever he was in Kenyorogo Smekemete, we could have seen no governor koleto kuipo abantu ga bosongo you can telling at least ni watu machanda second.
But I think you don't to appreciate but the World Environmental Day is different from Smekemete Kenya. Smekemete Kenya is basically it's a day for the Kenyans. The national money thing. But the Environmental Day is celebrated in the month of, I think, June. June 5th.
The World
Environmental Day. But in the summer, you know, this is a national government project.
Yeah.
It's a program, not even a project, but a program, a national government.
Yeah.
Yeah, targeted because there were concerns about the Mau forest. And there were concerns like the climate in this country, and even the environment, the answer because with the tree cover, in this country. So the current regime can say that's why to make a method so to restore our forest cover. But again, as much as the national government is doing it, county leadership, you know, we have lost the entire forest ya almost usiyonzi ya chi
Yeah.
get kali teneli engage because maybe the government planning kwenye college forest uchibeka chibe something else like Nyangweta forest we were discussing the other day maybe government ya mbuti kubeka sugar factory or AI fubule mboke beka sugar factory or the forest covered basically like Nyamira reteteyo ya birenge usikorge kuruskora on ko remetin ko so ime meteteyo. What should be done with the county government? County government in the national government. County government in the department of environment. It gave a budget. You know, mwaka was making it. The national government is doing this. The county government
They're doing something.
At least you duplicate.
Yes. Chindo nyingi kapona ndio tutochikuseji kwete because we have interfered in source ya maji. Asange. For example, when komisaro ya Kisii, source ya Kurugurali Kisii University is almost dying. Because people have interfered in the Kurugurali Kriyantukia killed. Mete angle ya maji in the ground one nigga. Magari angle ya maji abantu bayire. Uzo kanda nyanjo ngene kansanzali nyanjo ya kona ngene stadium. Those were the best streams kwangu mira Gusii. Kwana kwa bucha maji Kisii town kwanyu. Muntu kakana nekuwa bwate gari ya bucha maji obeke gari mege kubali skura maji obeke gari mochi konyi. Lakini bone gati ya dry. Completely dry because we have interfered with the service ya maji so ya maji ya elira. So as the national government does whatever they are doing, tigira neta bunga ki county governments na inu set aside resources in the budget ye county osimeke mete na maintain the environment. Otherwise na whatever si wejere class bosongo it's true.
It's true.
Embulego tu ensinini chimano
Chate kachimano.
class the craft ones business people the craft ones what the maybe sinyomba chintambe taoni kaiga mbabe ke kwende cyabo cya se chimano cya Gusii water and atama timeze nkisi kwa squeeze korokwa so bakanye ndembulego tu enyinga
bayigolera gushirwa gashiro wache
nyasana yataka nyasana yakari go kumya ndimo igolere mbrosi
bora ba
bateri go takinye mukokole story takimbrate so que monte apa response batanga kia environment fence kwenye maintain tore tari monto moja ku maintain environment even.
And as well to add on what Abuga said, 92 might there's a leader in US. Is it F. Kennedy? More like narrow when sort of thing. Sometimes the akora bolinga what the nation has done for you. I think work already for the nation. I think we as well, if it is a Mazingira Day, let tiange tiabenga na bantu 92 ntotambwete what we are able to do. No ni ntu abanya. By the way, let me tell you, kuna bono ngora tebana sana ngaki. Erega to kuboka, obo sensa sa chiapo toko ochaka gutaratara to agwiboko. Mago chaka tabanga uwi. Esa karinga
tarikonde.
Yo wole
na chaviru.
Sometimes una nayo monyene.
To kubura what tebanga na serikali.
To kubura ochaka nga serikali trako aborendi. Much as you are saying the serikali ne what the policy into position yetu into buna bananchi. Because again the ko ba achieve mono by the need responsibility yo mwananchi. Wozo nyo muraibu enzo simeke the state house. Na inche nasimeke asinarenge no nasimeke. It is your responsibility. So sometimes let us own the thing into na bananchi and ko kinga. No enenjera toko kole bintu bite in terms of supporting the environment. Even we are doing whatever that is good for our own environment because we are the beneficiaries. Una bona tienda gote. Onyora ngase na ro chitakataka chikupe kuigo. At the end of the day waro no toto. Osenki pindu ya chiri because whichever this disease kurukuru asoko chafu. Who are the most affected? We are the same people. So I think for me, hapa nanchi na warabu let them take responsibility.
I remember one thing ngiriki amberete I think last year ngaito mutinyo gatatu iga mutinyo gatatu kane timati ngone sakiro yalengeje county government gosene gendo mundata banandite tugo umuntu ageta gataba gapini ase igaye sobo chabo garbage collection centers akabeka masakarali genga hakuna kutupa takataka hapa hakuna kutupa takataka hapa onsi pia town nyingi megabekwa hakuna kutupa takataka hapa hasta alikirenga ki bono tupa takataka hapa agare takataka yaro nita geriko tukutuo maite because bono ikamyo kutoka nga umuntu okosoka okuboka kormambi kunyomba wasoka no bochabo utakere gotuguta waikari kwa nyanga ligire hakuna takataka hapa ono then the government went ahead was it timaite go seningo tingo nyanga kwana ningo yakatindishwa abantu bakamekori kubagwa ko n'umushahara umuntu ayikaranse akuganye torute ubiga bwa kubwate so those takataka centers garbage collection centers chire mandi umuntu ara no kurute ubiga kwa kwanya ko katenga kwa korera magoso so one day ngingo sa ko nyomba ngai muke kasakara ga kare pagi ngabe kanza kimaite kali ngochere kanyangora ngeli kungo maite kwa kala makosa ngatanga mwata ngandi no chabe gas so exactly because kali ngochere ngobwante ko kanye kali ebugi oni egali yoko correct chap ebugi oni ngabdi omakosa koro jobo chap egasi yoko chikoso ko esibi obwato chap nyombo kanyete gali ebugi oni ko bo chap siepa so ekayete kangeri nga initially karochinga kichia governor ngwa ndo bata chibi bagete chiaga pere town ya strategically nga ebibero nga ibibene bo chap aroto ke bibeli kera ali ko korto bo chap nsa ai mutu onoromo no brukaine.
You know, let me tell you, Abuga and Eric, Ototo. You see, I don't know, there's a time we were talking about planning. I don't know, platform network planning. It is a very poor planning, by the way. Maite, it is all about strategy. Let me tell you, chibi banji alengo what if nabono asa chitauni nchiro kwanda kwanyara chibi bagete chibekira specifically so
just be nchiro
abantu bacha bapi. You see, that is a good plan. So sometimes leadership na aroneta kete planning. How can you contain a certain issue? Bono the other ko nga kyumontora ganyisa anso kwanyereka aliche. People are busy. People are seriously.
Kwanye ko tare town next yambo sinyiresa ko kwa kutuma kwa tare next yambe town yo sinyiresa ko ketukuta.
Na wewe sinyi.
It happens.
Tige county government initiate ubonto kete whichever ko senobo bibe ko senobo bonto kete bore asekete strategic at least. Oma tegente kiti yango tabio toto no naye totebenga kware kuri ketuma komanya koranga ebibanera asekete.
You can walk there.
You can walk there urte. Toruta anyhow. Naye mate no kero kurta sabu ebibakerari no naye yuwa.
You feel like now the last time. Come on doga na kebaragusi. Posongo town igai. Mama then was chi washroom chicho chia public toilets mind. One is in the stage mate ndere municipal kwende county government rogoroga
jigaira ndapote kwando kwa county commissioner
za tu until zunga anybody
sawa kana ni kugati
kabisa kuchakira post ansali na about ya capital waiga paka daraja mbili asema ni public toilet
ndio
so and the boss bakaraga mate like industry abanda bakara mechanical works gari like
Australia mate
ndaswe mbaba kwanza timo zenjiri mate daraja that thingura aende daraja mbira aende chirichia chikwende mate chiro mate gari but in the month kwa dengi ese umuntu agatebanga a school is as good as the principal the school could be beautiful as the school no go itaiga nabako banga school enende ndongo that's why College University yankwa gachu in late university ka so admission you feel
then you feel university
will feel so in the vinde just a next story you know you try to imagine some then don't for bora mbwa atake kwa nataka ngwani again asinyo kwa because he has talk you know kokore skipe amune county government na jaranja guruga the other day timanye chachete ule skipe even the vinde bilibyo kubo skipe ko bogoli ayeka na mbine byo kabusongo
strategically
yes strategically uli kabando bautumira robongo you keep the environment mate kregen no word just abantu halenga bochavu kurtwandons kurtwandons and no one very careless because the leadership were on careless so kila muntu ate kaba ese ko change the system now go chandika ayata nga bono itangole opposite go chandika because try to imagine ngo change bono system ngata ko karumya ngwalire bando you need to walk back as a container ka ko bochavu teyo so walk back
ogobe como ugo ire nyomba
kitwata banga
kwa ire nyomba pa
nyomba na baro ko sokol na ro chapa
kitwata banga toto onye chibibe chisakobekwa meaning that nayo gutagete kutobo chabo nayo bango bwanga kibogo gotebye kero ebibero and then otagete kutumkuta kosene kiamba you see obo chabo ibore krase simply because we are lacking as a strategic about kobeko
totala kwa mangana environment and then this is my personal experience kianga penalty Jumatano kerona chiete kwa yango yane ana James Kenyanya Mboi chinza machia magenali. I don't know what happened ngaigunga ono moyo no sarikire ngachikoliki asenda hanyara kwa bantu no ana mataka ambura kagenda guchia kasa kanjereta na roche kaka karipitu nte chiduka ibiriga gochirogoroiga ngekumba iga ngasiba maje ngekumba ingotwera maje iga Dino manyine duka yarenga ngabwa jite konsomera nga tafadhali to basa koro kansa. Basa koro kansa. Asif nimbwa to authority yo kwa mwanga nga ingo chikoruka. Because
In Kenya.
so emi to munebyo ngwabe nobody understand singa nkoro kore no anegali mondo nkoro kare bakabolere. But the imagine yo yojire kondenga tafadhali to koro kansa. So I have to communicate with my body ntabe nga gitoro kana isa bakatindo.
My David,
So those things are happening. In environment ya tara environment nga bantu bakoba. Ngo iroro muroire nyagitari. Muroire ntumaite muna baroire ku PF2 nswabira baroire ni one way or the other. You cannot wait.
Yes.
Nga kyoko konyo. Everyone bintu bine bwandi koligo over and above gosimekemete environment. Timothy say environment wakole korwa kutasaka.
Well, and finally on my concern, aba Kenya bonsi tuona naba kusito kugwanira. Onye serikali ya mwirenga, it's all about the environment. They have a collective responsibility. Into abanyana aba Kenya, the government policies we achieve whatever we want in the environment. If the government decides to go correct and then into abananchi into support, it means that it will fail automatically. So we need to tore the main stakeholders. Yes.
Manje mulikere gionsi ogana ni ko kwananya ko bata karanga gege karoma tekerege tu twensi bali tole studio na bali mulikere TV ya Getembe wetera such platform au ave TV yao ebe na sema ya YouTube ebe na sema ya Facebook na bako nyaka bako toma ujumbe yao kwa karanga kia nyaka bato kusanga senjera ya mgosa yende 0726447367 0726447367 ase ujumbe ya kawaida kwa sansa melia ya WhatsApp chinga kitoga na tole karo niko to kuligera ya lionse nyaka ba koira libagalia bene ase chinyumba cyo baraligo chinsemo au ime na isiko ya agusi tokotikana na mangana ya environment timati njumatatu ya lenge na watu walenge na Assam ase chinsemo chia Kisii National Polytechnic.
Yes.
Morobe noro nyata ko iguru ali kurunga
Nyota.
Morobe bwa basae morobe nyota. Nyota ye ase program ile kwali twagirgereti wajenga abantu bonsi barenge umuntu the chief guest ni garenge umu PS ske isaboke.
Yes.
Mu PS wa mangana yo wera ndi bwa mangana na abantu bonsi all elected leaders mbatakere gotoko conspicuously tumatara ligero ya umuhimu kwa sababu jabo murobelioli conspicuously missing elected leaders. Today 70% ya elected leaders mbalengo.
Actually, that is 70 or tot. It can be 80.
Because
no.
Round off to zero, because
you were talking about karaka.
Because ngalo kuligerali ase toko chakira kurwese kurugorgo tirimboka umugavana talengo no mukonye mu mugavana olengo. Umasenata talengo. Mugumana talengo. Mujumbe tayo lengo na noyo mo naba musiye balengo roba keigo out of the 45 bali Kisii county abangaite balenge kadoti batrinete gali if I was counting bali wika 15 so what is nking insachini kia karete eba bugate called the feeling ujese kala mna kwanya ate ko bakukurigereria eba ne environment mutara chesa baga karata lengo
so okay no na renge say 20 nanda nyote yar go target abasai lakini anye kwalengali abagambi mbalengali abange sana
tero nyina na igo no twalege na
twalengali abagambi mbalengali abange sana then twabwate no hekero tugite mali timazo sinko igwetenga ndigiria wanafunzi getega bache
go feed this
so for me the feeling was like nanga ntugete karengenga yani kaikiranigwa
some boycott cases
nchiarengo chinyinge even abanafunzi kwenda kuringa inchu mo tutebanga yani baro sene media achire to tebe batebanga rende if you are talking about young people they got to representation. I wonder whether even those who were sat there whether they had an idea of what the program was all about. Number yakabel actually na vera ikeno 90% of elected leaders no bono nyaba imzi out of 45 you can tell me or who's nominated one say maybe onye barenge gali ngai leadership ya renge, if indeed it's a program that is supported by the government, egere konya basai. Umate, as we are talking now even politically, abantu bara at the center stage na basai. Everything is being looked at the young people. If Nyota was all about young people, baharini school baharini, and tigato tabanga nengi tukia banyorete compound imi. What if it was a holiday that basai mbale ngigari, usene ichi school ejifungire basai bali mbale ngigari yese kwere, mbale ngigari yese school. Then where could we find the young people who represent there? So if we are talking about Nyota program, Njibuna na Roje was something staged. Yani again the two bicheringa inju because if indeed the core purpose was all about Nyota ne Yabasai, who are they educating there? If it's all about Yabasai, and they tell them. But much as back with information. But where we are, it's all about practicality, and that thing has a procedure. At least the main agenda ya Nyota imanyako ikirana. So for me, from the leadership, not even an MP, not even a women rep, not even a senator who was present. So meaning that much as it was done. You already need to lukewarmness nero style. Nero nando murobiri Nyota no better questions was about the main target group. They were not even there targeted. Jana utenga banafunzi bali gobali kwanya kogenda sikete hotali kirera kini jole within the camp no ya kwanya ngaba no. That was it. What if it was a holiday and there was no those students? I think it's the Nabagambe where I go Chagali bakore.
Some na brother for that Nyota program ngo sikwera midnight. You know what the chinzangi satoiga. Apply for Nyota.
Kure ward yawe linga kekoro mbiro.
Yego nje tereta Nyota. Kwa ngene 29.
It's 18 to 29.
29. Wa disappear mpaka 35. Ntori na 18 mato totonero etere Nyota. So na yo roi bieka. Ngo maswali ngamba mbare ngoro.
Parengo.
Cosa kanyara vezi janu parengo. That's why no what's happening. And yet what discuss the program because make me think go implemented.
The same applies to the same
not go implemented. But it's funny by each community chinde yakero appointments go kolutia after school chia reka vanhu vakara appointments. Kana go mondato re PS aito lengo mojumbe oso lenge gasiketene nego manyeka ine mashinani sobo. Porque gocha kusi kwenye ranga antako appointed with these prime positions chia serikali mbapo atina attachment no mo solution right. Kama kuna anda abacha ruchika chia serikali boboete go involve politicians. Kama monda ko ranga ngoleta politician ye kuchereko
ko gain
school outshine na marriage komwa. But you see now obori omonsa yole miaka mekeiga le miaka ito insake muboli nga with PS sabuke. Na ta kwa story ya hivi na wataka rasa pakati kurifa kwanza boli mundu gas kwa none lieta ali tanga nilikorabura yes nabanda bande balapata miaka imengi bakoboli nga yena alenga asikete gasiga lakini after ba after choldugo kwa checking akia link so the attachment you mwananchi is a diva mambina ra mundu geta ko social media is a journalist by day from Osukwende Migori County akoboringa PS Mutari ndia go chuta mashinani by the no you bondo monta ko te on MGPS sana you cannot PS Mutari on MGPS sana halisa the same people a president to meta mashinani baba to implement the program tia serikali omondo mogwetana na ere go mutu omegeita to kumanya ni por ejemplo monta tenga nemu sana kone mrimo ndio mo limura kirake oyo nde Kipsang ekiyolinga education ana anze kumuna because arusiwa kairwa lakini obori antabange PS education ora tawa I'm not going to say no we're going to get such questions. Now how do you expect that to implement government programs? You might find among the junior even such junior but among the kaya seketeiga amenya mashinani more than kubwa abantu bande mataka tabingalo abagusiba bwateka likaka montagne regento akwigemerweka correct. Not a program is a good program, yes, it's open video and bank, but how do you implement it? Implementation as a program. And again you are telling somebody up to 29 years, you know, or what biashara ketaokora. Those are the same people who have been struggling for the last 10 years. But about capital, about income, there's nothing. So how do you expect your mundo? Ndia ko jage biashara at cogain of course antambara yes ntoko kana. But what do you expect? Mauja kusi community, this is the only community. No everybody in power, either elected or appointed. Mbako kwa chiase abantu bana batenga tibana bakonye mnachukua mtinde jiko konye monda go twenga ndo liki nyale bena ro seina go konye kendo liki nyale ba konye ro seina na wacho mojumbo mo akurwa ni usi last time mo cholire osine PA osine CDF manager kurwe constituency ngao kwali patone PA ne bwate ni alignment ngalas murwe constituency macho re PA mocho kurwa ndo lake
gita no muntu
konyo muntu
mana go konya
at least muntu yoro kina ba konyo muntu yomo from outside tumo gusiale bolinga ki abale in power ngiba konye na re agreement azikete moisonde kero chipara chia soka chia kera anda ko linga nyametu ati para
Effect nyamrazi no.
wazira kabajiba kwa tenga ba chia ngoba kumwa nenga and you say to be true because it's para chia bagetu kale sana muntu akatinga chia bagetu yesterday isi para chia bagetu mu last year
na ja bantu baza ko mojo musike Steve Mugaga wa kidinga konya ko ta wa kitalengo Jubilee alenge chinka ki
para Steve Mugaga promise de ni yewe chikocha is chia ko tona chia mother tole na new financial year ndi Steve Mugaga angwe pareli so mo tinyo last month dibale ngesti zanya da tu president da nganjo ko bande pa already to nyanta za financial
yo tarabe ko ese
program but in ngelinga ki again somewhere is in concerning not a program here no volvo ne gaba sana nani meden kwa meden usiko gutuko ndele ko siku gutuko
lakini moja
mbali ken bamanyete so ya launch you nkiba hanta batasi basomi mu gusi before kya bandra ngwa ngatotora nyota 50,000 nzoto speech ya deputy president okwane na nyota mara mange sana that tells ngabantu basoba ngo mutegerera bali kera no mumeru wale idea no mumeru wale patibole bagusi elected leaders bagusi
ondote ne ro
kwa speech ya mumadenga na otumere speech na kwani to ya nyota
Hakuna.
maybe almost bavere kwa sababu nyabande madinga ndred that's the danger as a community mugusie nenda kwa boli mandinga muntu boli mukalero ko story ene ga 45 minutes nga government projects in Kisi musa ko minga kin
This failed.
a win mata no this time usengusi tole yakiyetu so don't be worried nga nyota program the same way montango bolinga wae registration ya IBC nyamire rense tele montama kwa gyunga ngama tikatkwa jiwa ku constituency bantu mbali kweliki ye mbali kweliki bakituma saba febwati kura so are you telling me ngama kutuma saba for the last 10 years 5 years
bayo ba ikire miaki
ba qualify anyway that's ingusitone tukanye reto montada tebe tumagokora
Ototo. The leadership of Gusii, and it has been, we have confirmed always in some questionable issues. I think when we are talking about Chipara Kwenan, Chichi Kwenan on the table, Mukutanongo Chore Kwenan, which para. One of Mira, they decided to boycott on some reason. I don't know. When you're on the wrong side, we're sending criteria. Are you trying to? Because none of Mira, they do pay tax. Anyway, like
I think in Nigeria, some no ane se chinyombe se meje tokuru. We calling a caragosri school which Kogoru, Kero Montocha, Mansata Visenga, we say Senga, Jetimbat Karam, Jetimbat Katab, Jetimbat Koro to Kanakan. Imagine no school go Monday, Chumapiri, no babu mino kale, Ponya Krome. Ahora en Gatindio, what I go to Quara, San Kyota, Gata school advocate.
No. Alternative.
That's how I look at the things. Because even the human when abantu kobanga. Na bantu bakumira na kusempata committee ali bamira bata baringa ki nto bata chipara kilomita chiko ya kisi count kilomita 3. Monto yokobanga rurali tata banya na atandi otenete james atandi oteneta mangana ya budget. Nanya karata ndi busi.
Yeah, yes.
Atani mbono nyamire se chakere na wata kwa ras. Nga yori chako chako tenge pare kuru asike na re kwanda kuchiali. Unless yo monda to ko katanga ki akaro ko ligiri ko nyara chikiri kilo mdante tanga isa toiga. E para ne re to bate kuru gosenguru asike to gosenguru nyancho ko chi gosenguru guru chogo ko chi asike te kwanda kwa.
Again, that's my thinking. Let me as well differ with your thinking. Pona aingo wali ngaki aya bana bango arasa bale ngaki. Nintagete this and this. That and that ngende school. Iso yereta my thing na bwato mwana na boka ro abumwa because na my thing
na my thing.
Na nengo dare school.
Isa na my thing. Abana abambwate ngogorande kiro mwana ikaramu. Ejuere on average kiro mwana tate karamu. On average kilo mwana tate bitabu bere. Lakini don't you imagine nga naro isaba naba oyo muka sire tige tab kende ata kete bibeki sturabe bitatu naro tab gatike koroto because tari mwanzo kujuka ni koroto mai
samu mai tena ngate biga tiba siji para kre budget korosu what they talk about itemized budget what the department their roads 20 billion department of education 700 billion ase budget yeli mbaiko nganga seno ngai taracha mbaiko nga taracha birongo primary inganya tubeza kiti mbaiko ikaze budget yaya ikona se ministry yamaze kwa se budget kati pa chia kara jikobe kwa budget igere 20 billion and as a care so it's upon you as umujumbe kumanga chipanga cha tu as budget nechi tinganga sa department ya committee ya roads ya parliament chipara jikobe ko itemize now the itemized budget ya roads na ndia further itemized as a budget so ikana anzo kanya denga Ruto is one term.
Thank you for clarification. From Muna clarification. I've been clarified by them. Bon, the question now comes Ototo. Our Jumba bonds we have, how many do we have?
We have 13.
Narrowly, because Nyamira most affected was Babu at the Babu at the Par. Asaba Jumba 4. Yani Mondutai Orenga, Ariarengali, we have Joash Nyamoko is part of in the government.
Bonataka and Raisio Moyo. What I get Joash Nyamoko.
Joash Nyamoko is part of the UDA.
It's part of the UDA. Lakini, are you aware no your more about this Balibale? For lack of a better word, because Josh Nyamoko is one of the members of parliament, Nyamira. Otamanyetiko sentu tamwale go one time go say no time go say 3 times whatever to manyetisa because he really speaks. Again to yokara kwa na ngatocha mo gendo mneke.
No nara montekereza no toto. Olia koba enkwana ya Josh Nyamoko koba dictated na sare. The same way are you seeing the ways our governor does? Yani onyekare no montori igo will speak kakosko kuchika Josh Nyamoko is the same.
So that's one.
If the government brings bonomna libara te university igare kukwane language ya government
bara the university Nyamira como onda atuality idea yomo there is no way ante karanze 20 anda the university Nyamira como onda mo kutiwa bongo atenga tigandi kali rube oyo lengenya karama ndete nyaka former governor tigandi kali rube tyo university lalia Nyamira then you have baga from there.
Whichever the way. When he was there, he was talking good about the government. And when he's on other platforms, he speaks whatever he speaks. Joash Nyamoko.
You know your motto go Joash Nyamoko.
To Steve Mugaka. Who is now you are nonga nara said a team area because there were 2 tab.
But Bwango igaso atu.
Bwango igaso.
Like
Lene nere bono te mai tinga ki where was they? Like karate.
Abono karanga ki pare pare chia bege tu mapema.
Bono lende ngajamanta ba lengo this time.
Then injubo ikiri fomba nege sa.
Life fomba nege sa.
Wori no igwete mnako taba one time.
Ndatanga zamuga. E pare ko soka mabuko. Nonye maidi?
Ninyi maidi.
Bono ya bekiru chira migo na wakanga ne nyere so kali ngoko center mante.
Kali ya sure.
Sami pare ka nzo ko ngobe ko erami I was in class 2. Bono ya nanya mami taranyo. I was in class 2. Then kai wazo kwa ngobe ko erami. Chaka so ko jima ko mbendo zenga yi so ka jima temo nkaza ko na likemera. I was in class 2. Actually no na kwandi ko pale hiyo.
Nanyona tele.
Yes. Bande ko nyoliga. Ekaro obule former senator lengo mojumbe popasi. He was a minister for I think finance and planning.
Public roads na
minister of public roads.
Baga finance.
Para chikrozo ibogrango bono iga popasi charostigu more than 15 years ago. Para chikrozo iboge tudu charostigu bonchali more than 10 years ago. Because aba jumbe balenge that time. No matter nga jumbe bono iga mbala batanya kana nacho visitia chimu PS roads. Makanyiritenga. Agopinga tu agopinga madenga agopinga ngakanye bintu bichenga ngo kantore tax no kantore nini my friend a tax ngo kanolendo bantu kamuntu kanale tax lakini ebolinga ki kiko mo jumbo yonda akachitike MTC vere constituency yayo sasa ya very complete within 3 years lakini ayo gwati chibese bade kitie kiyo CDF utacho kubolika national government gelikia ki president maybe ra chikuruze department ayechiwa kubwatu no mo jumbe ndi watch kolera ota stock of kromo jumbo le kusimo bolinga ki tikirelia Peter Sarasi ganta kolere yes east ayengi wa kolere in the last 3 years una kusimo jumbo kusi abachumbe bakuzinje bangu bwata namo kusiza unique region kuna wale pale kwa constituency A ibwate to constituency B onetaka from onyetere njera nabo kumange yatire tunjera kurenze pane ya Rwanda wese mata tata South North pana banta bam pale kwa seba chumbe bago diva kuna nge pale ye ekro kunyebeka sekero ze kuro za somewhere paketambu keso asekete somo ntoko teke nangwa ne PS ya roads mujumbo yonda lengo mwanza waka keke iliyo pangu bwatana takalogiri ndiyo pono zona batepi ngati para chirichia kala chabe kugali kala kora jiti wote nini metingani ram bitumen standard kala kora beke ojali wote nini manya ingane box calvert ko beku so moro mojiko tipale chibe kire gaiga wezoka cheke nje moro njecha tira takanya mitu bwati kende pi complete tipara njiro batina konya mira borabu ore pare kwa gacho tibajo borabu
Buasero.
kulo sara ko mesbara Kaya last time ke president yajitega iga. I think around almost 68 kilometers of roads in Borabu. Kwala Borabu me. Because pare tia bego ngoranga mpaka chikira to a point mpaka chibeku. Pona wachiko banya na kana dengo chutanga anga 2 term tangaza 1 term lakini tulikuwa na paperwork. You later come out as 2 term or 1 term.
Nanda argument ya samu nawe na machiko nyepeka nga inkito waka ne tax. Onyeto waka ne tax rende inkia karomo amuraibu yansago chaga twa mwarese kitutaita tokora because gange tubando gira karasti ta
so according to your clarification and thank you for enlightening me for your clarification. So the point is we are being fed by our leaders. That is it. If indeed nababu enta kogenda ba rorenga kibago bago konyaka kwa sababu egento ke kumach ko make na rengerelinga we have a failed leadership almost ke chief whip and it was on record na tebete there's a point at tebetenga mbone parania ya kwanda sikete lakini na amura na nyereta gochaga meaning that you have to be present when namanga magenda ukwana
That's mobile.
ona kingo bolinga kiabara ibagusi you see if we need to unity of purpose toko yerokanga mchitora chake magendero don't differ with or 1 term or 2 term. If it's all about you have the heart yomo busime now, then why can't you go for these roads? No, it becomes very funny that Chiparangwa and Nuchiri and the entire Nyamira there's nothing and it's the same county because there's something else being done there. And then you are telling mwananchi Nyamira nga para njia se ensema ya Nyamira. Then what is the leadership doing in Nyamira?
See, are you aja sapa the way kubati kana mona number bote ko kwan regoro umuro byo chaki wanyota na timatinga umusayo ndi bwensi otara ichori muna bugata banje namanyete
Nabana na
tebosiekwa
na tembe.
Otige dia waswata ko tu adafu bona sasto si
Sasta basikre.
Go timade abane na bora chose kumutu because abakanya banjete rashawa abo ba te rashawa te matu abamentra matukanda abera toiga ene tunaraka patoko gendera nyamataka jumatara cha kotoza na koligeria amangana ya wa meriba serikali so opposition turo ligoro ya amangana afota registration so kweli kwa baki chikura in relations to account ya Nyamira karese kusiga iga account ya Nyamira na ere active wese siasa bona iga umutanda mangana nyare kabaga kurutu sana abantu banne ba boli bali ba gutamangana goja gusi mondo muna bono for example John yo okora bisia John Mbadi kuruga pire ruguda na rutengwa na gatabanga ngase Nyamira iyo bwatabarwa ndibe kero kyo president babere bona iga bantu yali kiri mbarega 20 akaro kukeligere biyego iminetinga igo Nyamaiya Nyansiongo na Ekerenyo igasi chibodi echichoka bali babwate immediate effect ye kura paraboko onye ndio ko bokanga to manyanga Ekerenyo yo Kenya for example oyo mweli kiko sen babiri
I can tell you that
Nyansiongo ya mweli sen babiri
toto our friends bakuru kurosi chibodi echo who are the Gen Zs actually they were supposed to go eri kibuna bakichikura are eligible, but unfortunately the system is closed for Chirichibwate by election. There's no registration going on. One of the excuse. Let's assume ngarende ngoko ranga banta bange bawende ko eri chikure bakare ko Nyansio nyamaya na Ekerenyo.
Bali basikere. Chibo de krisiye ki. Igo bona banyamira na barata beso for example. Onye tota sie krerin tu elikia.
That is the point.
Out of 20 words.
Nyamira, I think the other Nyamira excusing they say by election, they need to go consider it as by election, there's no registration going on.
The grass time, Tota Gerita and Nago Jim Mono. Nyamira, Yansion go my time of what
I think now what by election.
You know, Monsieur
and the Martin when they are Mataji.
I make a reference to Mugavano Kisia Kwan some 2 weeks ago. I think Mochanga in your match. As a former minister and cabinet secretary.
Yeah, Mosque Matiang.
I think on the Wednesday, which was Mutano, not the Buga, the register, the word Dick Band. Think of was there. I can't even one language is already. Tango, Chara, Sarah, what could what the Chukura, Katigari, Parova Bogoli, nobody Chukura. But then there's a painful thing, killing almost the leadership change in this country, including County, Kerekerogo. I can't have got the Israel change it. Manancho. Now, why couldn't take a key ball in the about what is called 2022? Paliba Cretinari, Paliba Cretim, Paliba Cretaba Jumba, Nabana Waka 2020, because change the
status quo
Navera, and Navera same thing, and score an Yaka and the Tana Akiaya, Margaret the Kura Ronganini, but still the vote and all you. Tagotico change. But I think we're bowling is it that a creek of some leadership from Gusi, where we the young Mantamar just a bank, Timana care, can the Mokalista bank or was a good comment. And Mokalista and Davaka was a good gig, which you care. But it tells you, I told you approach as a community in the next maybe Miakan and Mutia, Ecomi Communitano. Nande Bantum by about to change, Uraiwa.
Now wait and go Kwananga abantu basokibelike, basokibelike munabaki chikura. Nkirandiro gigitokere gukorwegara mwana mwana
abasanga people have lost hope in the leadership of what people have lost totally they have lost hope na kila tayo mwananchi okoru West Mogrango patimo jumla mondo muhimu akuamini abere miaka ekomi tanya korra takimo ko ke oirie para na ta ne kwende kokoterie para kikumu Rwandonzi as a constituency lakini akora news kali tukonga
para na
osora ko tiana ko tebanga na bosire ana kilometers kwende bogirango nganti kali pare moyoka as a constituency according to the figures which is recalling ngane the pastor ko kuchira bogirango osora kali tiemo na nanga before next year ngo class budget we kwirana na kyo kolimizo murayo mwananchi wa West Mogrango nga na no mo Kenya muna Kenya bande utakira bwa teke bande ara just mne voter atoka 2027 and again uyote bwa te card as lost hope uyo bwa te card
as lost hope
tabu atima tumaina ande ka rango haki chukura more than 20 years
reference ya no yo
bwa te card so is there anything go motivate bwa te card nanda bananchi banale kusingelinga as moseru o maka krimura yago te so anything mura yago kwana keruzi meaning muna yatanga kana mwa chukura just lost meaning tigabanta but the way they are doing empowerment programs that synergy babugate bachina that same synergy baje binyorime tipap address systems bago twala chance specialization baje binyorime bateba nanjinga ki according to figures ya last year abantu almost 100,000 bakorta form 4 emyaka to yaitire abantu abara 100,000 ngaibale ose 200 ngaibale abantu abonse ngaibale balete gaiga obota chikura ai will batebi unga there's importance yo kubota chikura ndakaro jumbo yo okay nabora beto teba constitution yo right ya that's mutate ke bando mako kwende that's more just mako basari yao patimate language ora tumiere kwenta izo youth ekubata chikura usibone geta iyo kwalire umuntu arabe empowerment program somewhere bona iga Putting up na IBC. What question I injuga akin the what empowerment program we are expecting yes we are expecting like 4,000 people in Jongo mo confirm kro montogo so register. It's such easy.
The same thing I've been arguing is a plan strategy.
Taki bono yugo chokora igo yugo chokora igo target ya nere.
Tienda boli ya buga.
The only way oyo empower my to the assuring no 2027. Kwalire. So last ma wachi kuya kira chikura urusi murayoro osubu yakere masoekura
Tiabano da kuboria I have a simple question guy. The chief engineers of Amangana Empowerment na bantu wale serikali. Abata itabachi kweli kichukura the same guys who have been street complaining about the serikali. Don't you think it's in order for our event to celebrating kusini kwa the turnout?
some what's the difference in empowerment ya serikali yako na machumba haya no mchumba lo opposition what the chief is kubanke bantere ni kile mchumba friend na mamos
There's no difference because that is handout actually.
empowerment
Na aboriti there's a time na aboriti kainga.
empowerment ndio kasude chinde
Na aboriti abuganga ototo ngaki ntango something tangible empowerment ya korire apart from radio and public address. What else have
Chindaga chiabugire sana.
Chindaga
chiabugire sana.
Morai wenzo mukonjo morai wenzo veda more than bon namro charita kaniti. So what tangible thing do we have for empowerment? So I think they can shift by agar support timu nincho ya wata chikura. Nanda agusina naro again tongro ma de kwa na which is true among naro gachite agatinga tianda tikapa cancer. Ma uchi korek.
last minute they'll come out by then
Tianda ser ma kana korek muno mwake ku.
Togotigana na ayu mwanju murigiriri aba miriri bali ba kwa miriri ya serikali mbaliamo all the signs are kiyanga mbaliamo na aso gochakira toigo chingwana chia omokonyi bo muraibu enso mokoro moske Rigathi Gachagua chanyara kaba gakukwana litukolia lero igoro ye kwero biligwa bali batale ba kwa miriri ya serikali.
Tumeketi tumesikizana, sisi yote tutaketi tutoe kiongozi moja wa kupambana na Kasongo, si ndio? Watu ya Runyenje nimuulize, tukisikizana ni Martha Wangari Karua, mtampigia kura? Tukisikizana ni Eugene Wamalwa, mtampigia kura? Tukisikizana ni JB Muturi, mtampigia kura? Je, tukisikizana ni kasini wetu Kalonzo Musyoka, mtampigia kura? Na kwa wakisikizana ya kwamba Rigiji anatosha, mtanipigia kura? Kwanza nimwambie watu ya Runyenje, wakisikizana ni Rigiji, mimi nitakibiza kama baisikeli ya kuibiwa.
For the second week running, omokonyi bo muraibu enso mokoro moske Rigathi Gachagua ase list yaye ya bali bagochikorigie karugo kyo muraibu enso kurwase aba bali ba kwamiriria serikali so opposition united opposition wana yere disunited kabisa moske Fred Matiang'i ta yes list yeyo tayo but bono nyuma tutaraja gukwanira ntekyo turigerelinga ntachinde umoske Gachagua na justified so gukwana okwo ekaro twategerire ngwana yo muraibu ense umoske William Ruto anyata kabaga gukwana gosa anyara kabaga gukwana lituko lya nanye kwana lituko lya ijuma ngagatinga kya ubamerete na muraibu kyama kya kanu umoske Gideon Moi na lero nanya kabaga kwirorera anyara kabaga kora kingwana no muraibu ense mukoro umoske Uhuru Kenyatta anyara kabaga kwana kariga kora kingwana no umoske Raila Amolo Odinga tego kingwana icho kwanza tumako gendera.
Nimeketi chini na Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga, Prime Minister wetu wa zamani, kumweleza vile tunaweza kutoa nchi yetu from third world to first world. Nimeketi chini na rais wetu wa 4, Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta, juzi. Tumekubaliana vile tutaondoa hii nchi from a third world to a first world country.
Nere muraibu ense moske William Samoei Ruto nigatabire ngokore chingwana na umuraibu ense okane moske Uhuru Kenyatta munanga ki ense gochiko suka mutwe na boigo muraibu kiama gya ODM moske Raila Amolo Odinga yoro mwasiri omonene omukoro kurwabu ekerengera ligose kerengangelinga jete yonkagirete moske William Ruto barakwana na Uhuru igori yogosukia ense mutu na Uhuru na ndeta mutageti kakarengera ti one time sita signing Uhuru nare koranga nara chkwengere nsama ya tuta mustairigete chake nabo statement yeje kero kujimari siasa teriko patriki ka Kenya
there's a time to can start thinking somewhere set what morning show no
Yes,
discuss about Kenyan politics if there are people by the internet, the thing, I only watch comments. Yes, as I'm on my phone. I don't make crypt to watch. Lakini watch completely against being angry.
Kwa denyo azako
nini? Yeah, kwa nyo stress. Kusinde shu abona bona iga. Ando mbeba wallet.
Abangi.
Ko president yarandi kabanet. Ando mbeba wallet
Kwa karo yanda mubwika nango kwa almost tubatio kwa mujumbo kwa naisura
resuda.
Alera sana.
Avenga tutemwa kitoji kokora. Tutemwa kitoji kokora because siasa ando mbeba attachment ya siasa gete. Yani nga because you to very friend yana for a long time. Nika kuwa na A in politics, manje A ngo support. Nika kuwa na B na support. Anda pata attachment gete yanuka Zalama hinga go chaburuka na bozinga kitima denga ya.
How almost guaranteed yani na kick.
But you see now, Kanu is very out of power for. Now we can talk about 20 years.
More than 20 years.
Yeah, very out of power. See, they call them orphans in Baro Bakan. Baro Bona iga. Bakanya denga kidu ni osaiga serikali ime konya balege talie serikali. But they want to bring a kidu na jiko egu pasa serikali nabaki. And you see now we are in 2025. Next year ngo airere tuakachukura. So no chukwe as bado unless onyole monto mungene nyole gasete permanent employee like mo data we gasi. Again ngo PS wo minister 1 year out. And so now my fear is that the president could be wanting koleta baraya once PM. After 2027 you people will be knowing the true colors of president to what.
Nani yao chikosakia maino.
Demo akatu ndengwa kolete. Because monta ngwa yusamu yakatebanga. There's no way he dunia ngoliye a president.
Na omosike William Ruto na tata president yokanda jata tanga inche beko manyana na kolete kwere.
Ya beko moligeti. There's no way dunia ngoliye president. Unero moligiri. There's something Ruto aligirete. Kwalire. Try to what about chafu abere Kenya magega osebu abere miaka ya abere in part 3 years tata tibo nyira gete ata geta ara abe no mura yuraete akobeka anta you know with the acts here called for the last 3 days komera Gideon they are strong supporters by Gideon awa inelde to groase moi acha ko change bana moi noga ucha ko bosbone ga Ruto na ndo venese family ya moi you need another decade.
Yeah,
very kiaveir.
Yeah,
Now they must say magari. There's no way. Tuna 2027 with both Uhuru Kenyatta na Gachagua fighting Ruto. Oya ngomba kapa ndo njani yae support serikali. There's no way. You can take a command bakapa na. But one day I'll be vindicated in ngana kwa na last time that I wish Matiang'i would have had a party. As a sponsor to Kando to Kivyake. I'm actually in Jubilee. So I'm wondering like, now mwachire mesagari mwikaransi. You are fighting for Jubilee, shares cha Jubilee, sio serikali mengi. Kwa wanzo kubeke ranking area chama iga, na mbele ngama tia
wapia. It does not appear.
It's not even part of the executive.
So kila mmoja vanga tuwa wadi wana Jubilee wake.
In fact no wanyene.
The same way, product based ba kwa tenga kia ya Raila. Aba antari wete mbali, look at the kwende chama ODM profile chabo. Aba antu banya waltegas.
The two deputy party leaders.
They had a say in the party.
Yes, and that's why people felt like Timothy Bosile got to Gusko because no one group way
part of the executive.
Yeah, kole kwenda. So last time mbando mwa ando mbanda DC ya Jubilee. Matiang'i better adapted as an official? No. There are people who hold so much power within the Jubilee party. The same way there are people who hold power in. Na venga bono nego tebenga you want to overthrow Bagaka from UPA. Bagaka's been supporting UPA. Regento.
In fact, na rogere UPA ya very feasible.
Yeah, very feasible in Usi. People are talking about Nyaribo. You feel like Nyaribo tali. Mojumela albo njali ka UPA. Gumo. See, now that's the danger. Asamo kusiali kirete. Gumo linga siasa ya Kenya. Naki. Anda mangembaji ba umia. Na lenge group kete garosora comment akatebanga nimewambia. Mjipange mapema lakini nyama uji kwebanga ngoje kumia mole. O manembo nganda mbaji ba umia. Ninyo leto mu mwana mwana ka ni ita kidini kia. Aje kusupport Raila. Kwa 2017 lakini ikera bono iga mumwe musani one Timeanza na kwa trande bicha ya simu ya hii mimi ndio siasa.
On the same angotabekanere nga as a agreement ego it's an allegation go se assumption ngasa agreement mo raibu ensa koleta no mo raibu kama gya kanu muskigidi on moi ngelinga e position ni berenji chiko chiko create ya serikali yere a deputy prime cabinet secretary 1 na deputy prime cabinet secretary 2 ebiruga ebiga akemo kiabege pimire gechikwa guchiese umuskigidi on moi on the same umuskigidi on moi ngotabekanere na promissory GPS a number of PSs kuruthi kia mugia kanu barabanga batano na boigo chie birogo muna chimuna ambassador gocha timatinga wetani ko deputy prime cabinet secretary timatinga naye kubo cabinet secretary bonde lakini ikirande cabinet nga there will be casualties
paka babo. Okay.
Kuruthi cabinet secretary sikana kuranyanga mambi one of the cabinet secretaries oranga ligwali otomino nango chichaira mune ambassador.
Atienda koteyo toto, what you need to know, for me the feeling that I'm having, Ruto is accommodating everyone because he atagete 2 term. Ebenga yani natige ambition natige differences chia na Gideon Moi at least yanyo that support na beko na bako mulike. Let me tell you, I think it's another way. Gideon Moi is a competitor from Baringo as a senatorial seat.
He was
politically
a competitor.
Politically Ruto has won. Sababu no the main challenge okoreki Ruto because we tarabe kama sakaraini. Wanande si retain Baringo as a UDA so that is number 1. Another thing, you all know that Gideon Moi gare in one way now what shares as Standard Media. So for me again, Ruto is winning kwa sababu gani? At least I want to be sure Abuga going forward the standard might be soft on William Ruto. Kwa sababu now they own at least not part of the government. Kwa sababu if there is a print media yake William Ruto, you can tell standard ya mwakiri sana. For the last time also mama gazeti, there's no day now already standard there is so soft on the president. So in one way or again, lakini casualties imbaro. Let me tell you, after the Gatojo handshake too. Ya muske Gideon Moi na Raila William Ruto. Casualties already ba chakre ko. Look at Jeromo Jumbo ngakitokora Samburu West. Is it Samburu West? Naisala West. The Sudan. The language. Abantu mbali so attached that when Gideon Moi is being opposed William Ruto, they are beneficiaries.
In fact, Mbaka Mojumba Mokoro Onandi himself, Alfred Keter, was so much banging on Gideon Moi.
On Gideon Moi. At least kamkete renkagete ngana so eta se Mosque William Ruto kare. Na bengi the same way when we had the broad-based being formed. Casualties babo sifuna hapa. Babu wina hapa. They have never agreed that there's broad-based. Kwa sababu gani? Babu ate kero William Ruto na Raila Odinga bago differ. It is their gain because ngonyara kare mkonyara bali kentu wako kwana. Bono iga you tell me where Babu ina akoenda takwana bobe gore William Ruto. It's ironical. Like so he is where Kerabari in opposition, that's when Babu had a voice. That's when they are hard. So casualties mbatoki. Another thing ototongo kungonya kokore rangelinga ki no matter when we have these handshakes go say an agreement of politics. Lazima muntu tarigo chaga ringa igachanga bono mbaenda bagumira na kabarak bakwana bakora. There is some position being promised. So meaning that now very part of the government casualties because if you want to accommodate really Gideon Moi kwa maru senaba tutebe kwa mwana NCS whichever never never PS.
It means one CS.
There is somebody who needed to go home for another new one to do what? To come.
The Machog way,
the Machog way and the other way. If you want to accommodate the Raila Odinga, babu antapasa kwa serikali egera abantu bakoreki basasa serikali. So the same way into two are casualties asense meje na saba jumbe arokan kolene that is politics. So for me William Ruto is in a very deep campaign of 2027. So he's looking for whoever who can be able to help him. Because when Gideon Moi go so serikali, it is helping a Baringo, then it is part of the government. opposition yeli arengo ngana na chiko kenda say united opposition no longer there.
And they were quoting Mungochiari. Yeah,
it's a campaign mood, and William Ruto is doing all what you call campaigns. Accommodate, because you can tell if things goes like this, is one of the presidents you can tell not unpopular in a way that he linked mananchi korangana nechi sera cha nyarko baka.
Nseme mwali nagani tonya ko batoko twale comment ni goro engwana ya omurikyo manene wikiama gya Kupet. Joseph Abinja nyataka baka kubatoka amatuko amake aitire igoro yo bwali bwa matemu amanena yo chikokoru ntu bwate grade 6, grade 9 na form 4. Na bajo kara matemu kagerte ngwana yo moske Abinja nyataka baka kwa na tonya batoko kolera abo.
Ndewi abagori baito asemwabeta. Hii ni msimu wa mitihani inaenda kuanza. When we start examinations toko basaba mobaba toereru na alama temtoka bwate gara mange unlike what we are having previously. Abana toko bata mateba kwa bana grade 6 and grade 9, which means in the region ya comprehensive schools crowding ne karo abantu na bange bakaro. Then KCSE will be there. Toko basaba moto bwa desmono na ndato sono menu yeito ni toko nya gosaria matemu ase para bongo beto rwa busi mongi wete uyego kera bana wetu bakorwa matemu bati bakara matemu abo buya among the weka kumnyoka kurugura na mate whatever this is happening here happening there kumuranje motige kiagara mu busi tari kuiba matemu ni toko ndatuanya gwesa lili iskari gusona ndaribo tuwana ni lebo. So tuagane iria wana wetu bons wale wakora matemu akipsea kichesea and KCSE toko bakaniria maya na bantu bali baito bagoja kubarenda na barato bakaniria maya na bali baragende komaki after this. Also we want to wish them well. Nyasaye yabaseni
matemu akipsea kichesea anaboigo KCSE kichesea yit na wanta manyeso botame gribinete so na igekolende mano toko nyagwadi just na nyiringa nibagite mayanga dota goranga by next year ngol giale gas to konya ne gore stage ka sir na graduation ko kor PP1 ko grade 1
na kan because na kan de graduation
na was graduation digo ono job market iska
ko competitive sana
garo to igoro mo sika binja tabira nga tokea nya mangana gore amatem nche corona koreta matangani ale serious kya kurunga KCPE amoro sware dinga attachment to abegete sa matem nero yagalide ebintu byonse bibigo kolkebe bira around ya matem bigo koleka tene go mwana arasome koru emyake yonsi koru enasari pake kigirasi iti agosoma musigari atayo litugakora matem ya mwali musigari utoko. I've never been comfortable nega ntomuneki.
Kama te culture umu Africa. Ase bive umu Africa nelinga. Niyo lideri no ndi kare corona osbal lengi in Africa. Baka mpaka kwa ngondo mako legas. Ndonga bwo di tobo di pako montagne maganda nyawo mukali magandike. But you see almost kare kutoka matem. Risk needing ki some supervisors ni vigil da seba nkwala basigali baswa matemu nelinga basigali bako matemba lende disturbance stable keeping law and order mbabe kidogo scare wanafunzi ndio wenzi. If you look at the Kadomo president yakanda go check kama tema wanza kokoro you look at it keenly malikuwa almost like so exam room na banga abe the civilian or anything no the person ideal we president uli KDF taiko so room ya matemba rais nelinga asande tumeza ndawo za bebo la no
gari ukaranzo bake bakamurango
ega once musgari achiro confirm ya matemba ikire school kwanye ikire school crowd ko igoru no the necessarily ngoto ke class but then nelinga ante bakurtu chioro but you see now the fear from the Kupet Secretary General Kisi nelinga matemu aberega ukwanikana ngo serikali because yo munugumu gusi ngwara lero muntu nabot from I think Just on university. I think a third year student or second year student abwat because yamatem. Imagine yamatem case is go next month.
Ngara bono.
And already abwat runga.
Nabwate
collection. You correct some information in line namatem. Wa usinering at this time. Tokea nyumun. Correct. Mon tukanya abwat through maybe on suspicion ngamatem na lenga segete. Mon dimo kiesi mikarolikire oh abuka secondary school ya bwatiru abana kibera matem nini investigations. Yes, because what you are doing no gosaliji magima ya bana abandi tali ya wesa rutati mu gosaliji umwana wakutwegas lakini bimwe bana ba westri awoli and school prepare matem kwa mosali. So I think that was nakia binja mine dinga trendomon tokea nyamangana on social media.
Sam chinsa jelde
finally chinsa ndo chichi atikere chinka. What I can say gore matem the feeling of Omasgari is all about security, and then the intruders, maybe Montorache and whatever. It's not basically a scare, maybe Mwanafunzi. Inje ndonda atebe ngelinga we we produce one of the best students, by the way. Look at we are one of the top counties Chiko produce the best students. So what I can say ngelinga tension nere gocha out of una bononga the same way mwate use eko umuntu konya kurtama na social media nga skurgete whatever ya bere even though ne bikani again don't that have mali I'm wishing all the best those students wacho kora matem there's no mangana attention muntu tacha ko ngaina mata bona kana lia bantu wana wewe sakaragete banya tenga na matem just believe in yourself na bible mbara ko nyora agwete ka tauni kaiga anyora ka kona ketu monte baje tanya tenga ko nyara matem umuyuri mako yuno mwere chibesa ai rengo mwana no don't mislead omwana has been tested enough kurwa baire in school pakabona iga na regulate bo kora matem basa bervonsi amaya berbaka na kora matem siabo kipse chekacha ose wherever ono na botore bwa system jinyinge go
bihona mwanje muligirio kwa chinza na to kora rabe karo hali tukulia ro wikali tukulia Jumapili kurende kurunga findirio Kenya kurwa chinza mucharo ligoliani agotebanga no ale no murugyo ya Lispa Kemunto aligete kuruchiza mucharo ligoliani Masai Metras Mara Naroko County na bego shem chwaya otara kurotaracha na raguligere drive na bange mo genda tukuligere balimo tumuganda kubwatia murubaliga we burubali yanse gatambe tukwengambu ya mono jeni ngor kwaro ne toto nyangiri chiteka chinke ideka ibere gachira mutu tosase kionga chinsenya senjira yobo ikano ndaro tindiko bambi bagaba kwane engana yo mwerio engana yo baje baje chakire wiki gocha